how to view or edit text that was added to a photo in Picture Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up Picture Gallery. Then we go back to the Gallery homepage. Now from here, open up a picture that you want to view the text. There are two ways of viewing text. You can scroll down to the bottom here. At the bottom here, you'll be able to view all the text. To edit the text, tap on the pencil icon. And then here you can tap on the text to delete it. Or you can create new text. So here I will add a new text, Galaxy font. And then tap on the add button. Then tap on saved. Here you can see some text has been removed by deselecting them and a new text has been added. Now another way to view the text, you go to the top, tap on the more button, then tap on details. In details, you can scroll down and you can modify text down here as well. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.